Hi guys! Once again, this is Teacher SP and I'm here to guide you for your Quarter 4, Week 2.2, Activity 123, Problem Solving in Volumes of Solid. And now, I am here to guide you for your Activity 1 in your Quarter 4, Week 2.2 in your activity sheets. The directions for your Activity 1: read and analyze, then answer the questions. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. This is the problem. Find the missing dimension of this pyramid. The pyramid measures, the base is 6 square centimeters and the height measures 7 centimeters. So we will find out the volume of the pyramid. So your choices are letter A, 12 cubic centimeters, letter B, 14 cubic centimeters, letter C, 40 cubic centimeters, and letter D, 42 cubic centimeters. So let us show your solution in finding the missing dimension of the pyramid. So the formula in finding the volume of the pyramid is volume equals base times height divided by 3. So the base measures 6 square centimeters and the height measures 7 centimeters. 6 square centimeters times 7 centimeters divided by 3. So we will multiply the base times height. So it is 6 square centimeters times 7 centimeters equals 42 cubic centimeters. 42 cubic centimeters divided by 3 equals 14 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the missing dimension of the pyramid is 14 cubic centimeters. Let's have another problem in your Activity 1. Let us solve the following problem. What is the volume of a cubic container that is 4 centimeters high, 15 centimeters long, and 5 centimeters wide? Let's have the steps in problem solving. What is asked in the problem? It is the volume of cubic container. What are the given facts? There are 4 centimeters high, 15 centimeters long, and 5 centimeters wide. What formula are we going to use? We're going to find out the volume of prism. And the formula in finding the volume of prism is volume equals length times width times the height. Let us solve for the answer. So the formula is volume equals length times width times height. So the given length is 15 centimeters, the given width is 5 centimeters, and the height measures 4 centimeters. So 15 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 4 centimeters equals 300 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of a cubic container is 300 cubic centimeters. In your Activity 2, the square prism has a volume of 1,875 centimeters and a thickness of 5 centimeters. If the length is 25 centimeters, what will be its width? Let us understand the problem. What is asked in the problem? The width of the prism. And what are given? The thickness of the prism measures 5 centimeters, the length measures 25 centimeters, and the volume of prism is 1,875 centimeters. And now, let us solve the problem. First, we will use the operation for multiplication. We will multiply the thickness of prism, that is 5 centimeters, and the length of prism, that is 25 centimeters. So 5 centimeters times 25 centimeters equals 125 square centimeters. After that, we will also use the operation for division. So we will divide the volume of prism, that is 1,875 centimeters, divided by 125 square centimeters, equals 15 cubic centimeters. After that, we will check the solution. 125 square centimeters times 15 centimeters equals 1,875 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the width of the volume of prism is 15 centimeters. For your activity 3, if can A has a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters, and can B has a radius of 6 centimeters and 9 centimeters high, which can contain more? Is it can A or can B? Show your solution. Let's have the steps in problem solving. What is asked in the problem? Which can contain more? And what are the given facts? For can A, there are 4 centimeters radius and a height of 10 centimeters. And for can B, there are 6 centimeters radius and 9 centimeters high. And then, what formula are we going to use? We will find out the volume of a cylinder. So the formula in finding the volume of a cylinder is volume equals pi times radius square times height. Using the formula in finding the volume of a cylinder, which is volume equals pi times radius square times the height, let us solve for the answer. For can A, the volume of a cylinder is pi times radius square times height. So pi is equivalent of 3.14 times the radius is 4 square centimeters and the height measures 10 centimeters. So 3.14 times, we will multiply the radius twice. So 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters equals 16 square centimeters times the height measures 10 centimeters. So 3.14 times 16 square centimeters times 10 centimeters equals the volume of the cylinder for can A is 502.4 cubic centimeters. Next, let us also solve for the answer in can B. Volume of a cylinder is pi times radius square times the height. So pi is 3.14 times the radius of can B is 6 square centimeters times the height is 9 centimeters. So 3.14 times, we will multiply again the radius twice. So 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters equals 36 square centimeters times the height measures 9 centimeters. So 3.14 times 36 square centimeters times 9 centimeters equals 1,017.36 cubic centimeters for the volume of a cylinder for can B. Therefore, can B contain more because can B has 1,017.36 cubic centimeters. This ends your learning session for Quarter 4, Week 2.2 in your Activity 1, 2, and 3. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye!